Hi everyone, today I'm going to be filming a Burger King mukbang. I got French fries, chicken nuggets, ranch for my chicken nuggets, cheese bites, and a pulled pork king. I have never ate this or the cheese bites before, so this is going to be a try video for those. Fire hot. I need to get me a table. I'm excited to try these. They're just like little nuggety looking things. There's cheese inside. This is really good. That is so good. Oh my goodness. That is so good. Trying to get comfortable here. Okay. That is really good. I really like that. This has got like some type of yellow cheese. I don't know, but that is good. It's really good. It's kind of like Zaxby's has some, but theirs is some type of white cheese. But that was so good. I think they're called cheese bites. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. And just got some fries. Today I'm out picking up my husband's contacts. I told myself that I was not going to eat out today. But I'm hungry. But what better time to try this pulled pork sandwich? And it looks like an absolute mess, so that's not good. It has some type of crunchy, like, piece of something. I'm not sure. I don't think I like this. It's like really, 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 really sweet. Where's that my water? It's like sweet, sweet. I think the crunchies might be onion. It's not like bad, but it's like really, really sweet. It's 10:48. Which Burger King serves lunch at any time of the day, or at least the one in my town does. But I am in a different town today. because we used to live here, but we moved, but all of our doctors are still here. So I had to get him some contacts. Because he lost one yesterday. Both having bad luck with contacts these days. I still haven't got mine in. I have my contacts in today, but I haven't received my contacts. Like this one right here has a cut in it. And it kind of irritates my eye. I just really hate wearing glasses. Like, there's nothing wrong with it, it's just not for me. But I grew up in this town. I really like it. It's a very, 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 very small town. So no matter where you go, you know somebody. Somebody wants to talk. Somebody wants to stand there for an hour and chit chat about your life. Or just like, you just go into Walmart. Excuse me. For like a few minutes. Never. Because you know everybody in this town, because you grew up in it. You go to Walmart to buy something and everybody knows what you're buying. If you're hanging out with somebody, everybody knows. To me, that's just annoying. I do not want to be driving around in my car and somebody be like, oh, I seen her with so-and-so, blah, 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 blah. Because it's never the truth. It's never correct what they're saying. It's just annoying. So I moved to a town that is not much bigger, but I don't know as many people. Knowing people is not a bad thing, and talking to people is not a bad thing. It's just sometimes you really just don't feel good and you don't want to do it, and you just want to go in really fast and come out really quick and not talk to somebody that you have not talked to in 6 years. That doesn't happen in this town, but my parents still live in this town, though. But it is in Tennessee. It is Bonnaroo Town. I'm at Bonnaroo Town. I have never been to Bonnaroo. That's kind of not really my scene. There's too many people for me, I think. Makes me kind of nervous. If you've ever been to Bonnaroo, comment down below. They're doing a new thing here called Exit 111 where they're bringing in a bunch of rock groups. I think that'd be cool. I would probably go to that. They're having like ZZ Top. I can't remember off the top of my head, but they were just like a bunch of like rock bands that I grew up listening to. So I thought that would be super cool. I would totally recommend these. These are so good. So good. So comment down below if you know where Manchester, Tennessee is. 'Cause that's where I'm from. I do not live here anymore, but of course y'all know that, but starting to get full already, and I have not even like made a dent. It was just one of those days where everything on the menu looked good to me. I wanted everything. I wasn't expecting the sandwich to be so sweet. I mean, it's not really bad. I think it's pretty good, but it's just so sweet. Sweet. I mean, if you like really, really sweet stuff in your sandwich, it's not like, I'm trying to think of what it tastes like. It doesn't really taste like a honey barbecue sauce, but like a mesquite. Is that mesquite barbecue sauce? It's not bad. I mean, it's not like gross or anything. What I ordered again, I don't know. I think it was around like $5. I don't even know if she gave me a receipt. Yeah, it was $5.69 for that. That is ridiculous to me. But it sounded good, and I figured I would try it for you guys. And it wasn't bad. It's not my cup of tea. I like barbecue sweet, but not like too sweet. I think that's too sweet. Also, comment down below where you guys are from. And I don't think I ever really said what my name is, but my name is Kristen Brown. I live in a small town. I started this channel because I wanted to do makeup, but I ended up doing mukbangs, which I absolutely love to do. I don't know why, but I absolutely love it. I'm probably just circling around where I'm sitting at. But I just love doing stuff like this. I think it's so much fun. My husband thinks I'm crazy for it, but I love it. I can eat. People watch me eat. I can make a little bit of cash this way. But I really like it. I am married. I got married when I was 19 years old. He was 18 years old. We own our own home in the town that I talked about. It's a little farmhouse. We have chickens and pigs and dogs. Excuse me. But y'all know, if y'all seen my last video, my dog was all up in the camera. But I have 3 more dogs. I have a horse. Her name is Rose. And I just live on a little farm. Let's see what else. I don't have I do have a job. I work 1 day a week at a little country restaurant here in this town. My husband started working for the people, and we absolutely loved them. He started working for them about 5-6 years ago, and he just fell in love with them. He doesn't work there full time, and neither do I, of course. I only work there 1 day a week. And he has another job, of course, and he supports us. I do not work except for that job. I'm a stay-at-home wife. which I love. I take care of the farm. I take care of the farm business. We do have a farm business. It is Brown's Family Farm. I take care of the business, and I take care of the home and the animals and just all that kind of different stuff. And I love doing that as well. It allows me to stay at home. I don't particularly want to work a real job. I do have anemia, and I'm not making excuses for myself, but it does make me feel not so good some days and great some days. So it's kind of good for me, I feel, to not have to get up and push myself to go out and hold a real job. And I appreciate my husband so much because he does do that for me, and he does take care of me and my animals and my dogs. I love my dogs. I think he would probably only have one dog, but we have 4. I love dogs, and they're all Pitskis, pit bull huskies, and I love them. They're pretty big sizes. You could see Fuzz. He decided he wanted to take a stroll across the camera screen. But I thought I would tell you guys a little bit more about myself because I've never really said anything. I've never really talked about myself. I don't really like to talk about myself particularly, but I will for you guys. Plus, you want to know who you're watching. This guy just drove by, and I had my hands up in there, like, talking like I do, because I'm always, like, talking. And he was like, what is she doing? But I'm done eating. I ate way too much food, but it was all good. Alright. It's a 10-piece chicken nugget, but they always put, like, more. There's about 5 left. They never put just, like, 10 pieces, and I love that because I love chicken nuggets. And then there is the cheese bites. I ate all of those but 3. I'll probably save those for my husband to try. He's going to be a little annoyed that I've ate out again for the 4th time this week. And then I ate half my fries. I guess I ate more than I thought I did. But I'm just like stuffed. And then I ate about half this sandwich, even though I really did not care for it. I really don't care for these onion things. I'm pretty sure they're onions, but now they are all over my car. I really need to clean my car. But all of this together was, the cheese bites were $1.99. The sandwich was $5.69, which was a waste because it was disgusting. Well, it wasn't gross. I shouldn't say that. I did not think it was gross. I just did not like it. It is just, like I said, 100 times. It's too sweet. And then chicken nugget, 10-piece is $1.49. They used to be $1 with crap. That's still good. Still a good price. I went to Wendy's yesterday and ate a spicy chicken nugget and only got 6 pieces, and it was $1.99. So, and a small fry was $1.59. So all in all, it was $11.81, which is kind of expensive just for me to eat. But my husband will probably eat it, and then I'll eat my nuggets and everything as I go through the day. So by no means is any of that going to be wasted. I will eat it as I go through my day, or he will eat it. Sorry guys, my nose is like all of a sudden runny. Every single time I seem to do these videos, my nose gets runny. I don't know why. Let's continue this as a drive with me. Let's just talk about our lives. Let's not. So that is my Burger King mukbang and trying the pulled pork sandwich and the cheese bites. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment down below where you guys live. Don't forget to like, and please subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching.